Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Katelyn from Florals.com and today I'm continuing with my scrap room purge and diving into wooden stamps. Now I have a lot of wood block stamps and rubber stamps, so some of these aren't mounted, but I figured, I could probably get rid of a few of these. Now I don't use my wood stamps all the time, but I have used them on some cards, some scrapbook layouts. I got started with wood stamps before clear stamps became a thing. A majority of my wood stamps are right here, including the ones that are unmounted. And there's a couple that are out sort of on display. Those are the ones I use most often, like those background type stamps. But I'm pretty sure we can dwindle this bin down. Now this is a very thin Sterilite drawer system that I have that I keep a lot of my stamping supplies in. But I thought it'd be fun today to go through them all and hopefully get rid of some because I don't need them all and I don't want to lug them around with my move. If you guys have not been to my channel before, be sure to subscribe and be sure to check out the links down below for my other purge videos where I go through my paper so far, and there's more purge videos to come. So get ready to see me get rid of stuff, and I do have a wonderful place I get to donate all of this in my local community, so I'm super excited it'll all be used and loved in another home. But to get started, we have some Unity stamps here on top. I've had these for a while. I've used the one on the left more than the one on the right. But I still love them, and I love that one says you are fabulous because that's just such a good sentiment. So we're gonna keep those. These are random Unity grab bag stamps as well as some Etsy rubber stamps that I adore, so we're gonna keep all of those. Probably could find a better way to store them, truly. And I already see a lot of what I thought was going to be in here. I really haven't been in this drawer in a while, but if I move it back here, you'll see a lot of these kind, which these ones are from Craft Smart. Studio G, that was my #1 brand back in the day because they had dollar stuff and that was all I could afford when I was in school, in high school and all that. So this one says you are the best. I'll never use this. I mean, it's a cute sentiment. I don't know if I have. It looks slightly used, so maybe I have used it, but I think I'm gonna part with this one, this rose bouquet. This was actually a gift. I have used it before, but I don't really want it anymore. So there's a couple that I know I want to get rid of. This one actually catches my eye because it's the only Happy Halloween sentiment stamp that I believe I have. I'm not sure if I've gotten any more since then. I think I did. I know I featured that W+9 stamp set recently on my Patreon a few months ago. I think that one might say Happy Halloween in it, but I really like this one because it's a block letter, so I'm going to keep that one. Another one on my keeper list is this was one of my first Hero Art stamps. Friends Are Flowers That Never Fade. I have used the crap out of this stamp. I adore it. I also think this is great for if you make somebody a gift to stamp on the back of it or on a card. It would be really cute. So I'm going to keep that one. We'll actually keep a little tally down here. We'll do keep on the left like I've been doing and donate on the right. Let's see. This one. It's a pun. I have to keep it. I loved making some watercolor Valentine's Day cards back when I was in college. I used this one, so it is well loved, but I do love this because it has little hearts. It was from a Valentine's Day set, if I remember correctly. So another dollar stamp fan. That's me. You're not getting older, you're getting more awesome. There's something about this Studio G one that makes me want to cringe. I do remember using this. I like to use this on some like birthday card insides. This is from 2017. Like I said, I have used it, but I'm going to part with it. Not my jam anymore. Sorry it keeps going in and out of focus because of the reflective surface. Let's see what this one is. Okay, this is, I have two that go together. Where? Oh, here it is. I have two St. Patrick's Day stamps, and why, you ask? Because I thought I would make St. Patrick's Day cards. Now I have used these. I don't love to use them because I don't send St. Patrick's Day cards. So I'm going to donate these. This one's really cute though. It says, wishing you luck all the day through and more than a wee bit of happiness too. I don't know. Am I going to keep that one? I'm not. We're not keeping it. When do I ever use it? I don't. On a similar note, I do have Easter stamps as well because they're around the same time and I bought them. I'm not sure where the other one is, so we'll just start with this one. Keep calm and hop on. Again, I have used this. I'm going to part with it. I don't send Easter cards, so I don't know why I have it. Let's see. This is a set. Might have been Hero Arts. I got rid of the container it came in. But these are essentially stamps that I thought I would use for scrapbooking. Yes, wood stamps on a scrapbook page. I don't. Let's see. Have I used... Okay, I've used this one. This makes me happy. Well, I don't like this one. I'm going to get rid of this one. And since they're not a set anymore, it doesn't really matter. I really like the font of them. I just need to use them. I wonder if I should put these ones out on display. Okay, I've convinced myself we're keeping them. This one was also a gift. Again, not really my style. I hope my brother's not watching this because I know he bought it for me. I did use it though, but it'll go on to a good home. Not my style anymore though. Let's see, what's this one? Happy birthday. I used to use this one all the time. As you can see, I'm actually going to donate this one though. Obviously they've seen better days, and this place does take slightly used goods. So this is from 2013, gently used goods. This one I also really love, and I haven't used it in a while, but something about a speech bubble that says happy birthday is so cool, especially with all of the different like little characters I have. So I'm gonna keep this one. I have no, does it say where it came from? Greenbrier International, Chesapeake, Virginia. I'm not sure. It was a gift in a rack at some point. Here we have this little star cloud. I have tried to use this. It doesn't really work well for me in terms of the way it looks here isn't exactly the way it stamps. It's like so much more contrast than I expect. So I'm going to pass that one along. Again, just one that was in a rack. Congratulations. I do have other congratulations stamps now, so I don't really need the woodblock version, but this was my... If you're looking at your intro to stamps, sometimes woodblocks are cheaper. At least back in the days, they used to do dollar ones all the time. I made my dad buy this for me off of eBay. It's nondescript. I don't know really where it came from. It was a long time ago, but dang, was this elephant birthday. I have to keep him. He's adorable. Need to bring him back for the birthday cards. We have this little ticket. I thought it was such a great deal for 50 cents, but cutting these out is so annoying, so I don't do that anymore. So I'm not going to keep it. Like I said, more Easter. I don't need Easter wood blocks, so donate that one. Does this one say Happy Easter? Easter Blessings. I don't think I've ever used that one. This one says Happy New Year, the best is yet to come. Perfect, because I don't own any Happy New Year stamps. So I bought this one on clearance at Hobby Lobby. Let's see, is there a brand? Whimsies and Wishes American Arts stamp. So we're going to keep that one. I'm avoiding all the little ones because they go together. This one I've never used either. I've really wanted to. I bought this on clearance. And it's just a number set, and it says a day to remember, so you're supposed to like circle the day. I don't really know. I'm gonna part with it though. I'm ready to part with that one. Okay, this one I don't think I've ever used, but I do want to keep it. One, because it's a beautiful display piece, but it's from Inkadinkadoo, and again, think it was a rack to me. It's brand new, at least from what I can tell. It does look, I actually can't tell if it's been used or not. It probably has, but I'm gonna keep it. I will use it. Let me know if I should use it on a scrapbook page. Someone forced me. This one I've used on cards before. Again, just from Studio G from Michaels, 2015. Part with that one. This little fox, again, a gift. I have used it. This one, Your Super Kid. I don't, I'm just gonna part with both of those. I've never used this one though, for the record. There's this really old This Book Belongs To with this little scene from Winnie the Pooh. I'm totally going to keep this because I would love to put this in my children's books one day. It was gifted to me. It's a Storytime book plate, and there was someone's name here, but I ripped that off. But I am going to keep this one because vintage Winnie the Pooh, are you kidding me? Let's see, is there a date on this? No, just from All Night Media. But how stinking adorable is that? This little elephant with an umbrella. This is when Studio G up to $1.50 at Michael's. I bought this guy in 2016. We don't need to keep him. Your One Smart Cookie. I don't need to send that to anyone. Oops, a little bit loud. These two I bought, I believe, in a set. Maybe it was separately, but they are from Michael's. They're unbranded. I don't need the I Love You. I think that's pretty easy to find in another stamp set I probably have, but I really like this XOXO as like a background stamp. It looks like I haven't used these, but I know I thought I did. I like that one though. Compromise. Do you guys remember the, okay, hello piece of fabric. Do you guys remember the mason jar stamp? Everybody was looking for it. How do I not keep this? I used to use this all the time. I should use it again more. It's covered in cat hair, but I would like to keep this one. It's a very decent size too for the price it was back in the day. This little guy might have been my actual first hero art stamp, and it was from Joann's, and it's this teeny tiny little owl, and I used to put him on the back of my cards. So you can see he is really well loved there. I think I have to keep him. Yeah, 2007, I have to keep him. He's precious. I had an owl phase. This one was in a rack, and it's like hand stamped, like you put it on the back of your card or back of your project. I have to keep that one too. Okay, you know, we're still doing good. I didn't expect to get rid of half, but I know a lot of these I simply don't reach for anymore. Thanks a million. That's okay. I'm not in love with it. This cruise stamp I remember paying way too much for. You can leave a comment down below if you want to guess. It was originally $10. I paid $3.60. I don't know why I had to throw it right there. I guess the only reason I'm mad that I bought it is because I still haven't used it. But it's really, really cute. And it's almost like art. I don't know if you guys like wood burned pieces, but when it's like this, these look like art to me. And I could easily just put this in like my living room and be happy with it. So I think I'm going to keep this one. I do have some more cruises to scrapbook, so put that in the pile because I need to use it. What's down here? Oh, another elephant with a birthday hat. This one I don't love as much, so since I kept the other one, I'm going to part ways with this guy, but I really like the detailed look on these, and I wish these had a brand on them, but they were from eBay, so I'm not really sure where they came from. This little guy, again, it's so worn off you can't even read what it's from anymore. So if I have the camera focus here, you'll see that it's worn out in the middle where it's supposed to say Stampendous and then USA, I think it says Anaheim. An oldie but a goodie. Why is it in French? I think that's French. But hand stamped for you by, and again, very, very well loved. But I'm going to keep that one too. There's something about cute little stamps that I love. Up front here, we do have some things. Oh, this was a gift. I have used, I'm going to part ways with it. A friend gave this to me during like my birthday after high school or something. I remember getting it and being like, oh, so cute. Not really my style anymore, but I did get a chance to use them, but I'm going to keep them as a set and donate those. This was bought, I can't remember what artist this is from, but it's a, you can kind of tell it's a flower on the right side and then a bud on the left. I can't remember for the life of me what where those are from. I'll keep thinking though. Down here, this is an Operation Right Home stamp, so I'll keep that just in case I ever go, or in case they ever, you know, sort of open up full-fledged again to donate cards to. And then, is my head in the frame yet? Probably. We have 6 little Halloween stamps here. I really don't need to keep any of these. I originally downsized the original set that I kept to these 6. Something about these I really like though. Halloween's not like my favorite holiday or anything, but something about little icons that I like so much. Oh heck, I'm gonna keep them. Halloween cards are super fun to make though. I can't lie about that one. Next up, I think, is all background stamps. Yay! Okay. And don't mind the trash that's in here. It's next to my garbage can, so sometimes things end up in there. First one, this one was $7. As you can see, it's got a giant ripple in the top sticker. I don't mind, but I adore this floral, so we're keep. Script, I used to use this one a lot more. It's from Inkadinkado. I'll keep it. One day I'll get back into art journaling and, you know, layering and vintage. This is a 2006 Stampin' Up set. To be honest, I don't remember the whole theme of it. It has months in it. I need like a key. I need to look this one up. Word search. Yes, 2006 word search. New Year, so I guess hello. There'd be cool techniques to do this. I just haven't ever really done that before. So I'll keep it. It's an oldie but a goodie. This one I think I'm going to part ways with. This was always such a fine detailed rubber stamp that I could never get to work properly. Probably because I had really bad inks in the beginning when I first started. Does it have a year? Nope, it says Netherlands though. It's All Night Media. So I'm going to part ways with this one. This one was gifted to me. I have used this on a page before. Or was it a, or I can't remember. Maybe it was a card instead. But it almost looks handmade in a way. But it is, it's from Magenta, made in Canada. $17 from the ink pad. So I'm not really sure where that's from. But I know it was sent to me in a rack, so someone was just passing it along. But I'm not going to hold on to it. It is really cute though, but I have used it. This one was in the same rack. I adore this stamp, Inkadinkado. No year though, but I do love a good little floral moment. And then lastly, another 2005 Stampin' Up. I really should pass this on. I don't want anyone to be mad at me that I'm just donating these things instead of, you know, like trying to sell them or gift them to someone who really wants them. But that's just the way I am doing this purge. And I know Stampin' Up is, you know, one of those sought after products. So maybe this will show up somehow near you. But I'm going to donate this one because I always tried to use it and just never liked the outcome or like the sort of like vintagey vibe because of like the tears and the outlines and, you know, not my fave, but I'm going to donate that one. But that one was gifted to me, so it's kind of hard to get rid of things like that where it seems like it is just so much memories involved and all that jazz. So overall, actually, let me put them all back so you can see them all together. Are these ones even in frame? Let's move this guy. We'll have to clean that out anyhow. So overall, I would say we got rid of half, at least half. Not necessarily quantity, but size-wise for sure. And like I said, I do have a couple wood block stamps that are simply just on display. Like here's some right here, like my little stars and my splatters. These are up there. So like if I add those to the, well, maybe we didn't. Although these ones are in nice stacks and these ones are all over the place because there's some that aren't blocked up. But you can kind of get the gist. All of these are going to go to a good home. I actually have to go find another box to put them in because I think I'm up to, this will be the 5th box of things I'm donating to them. Again, they're going to be so great and on to another good home. And I think for some of the tools, they keep them at their location so people could come and like rent them. So they'll get lots of love and lots of use. So I'm super excited to donate all these. And again, a lot of weight I won't have to carry during my move. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this section of the purge that I've been going through. Again, if you want to see more of it, you can check out my Patreon where more of the behind the scenes is happening and some of the non-pleasant looking sort throughs and purges. But I'm super excited with another drawer done essentially so I can start packing more and start getting things ready for the upcoming move. But again, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below with how many wooden stamps you think you have left, because I definitely have quite a few. Have I used any of them in the past 3 months? No, but I did. I think I used both of these within the last 6, so that counts. That counts. But hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys again very soon. Bye guys.